to ask questions at the end. So my name is Autumn. I'm the blacksmith here at Poplar Grove. I've been blacksmithing for 17 years. I have been at Poplar Grove for 1 year. What I'm doing today is I'm working with the blacksmith's 3 main tools, which are a hammer, an anvil, and a fire. And my purpose is to get metal very hot so that I can bend it and shape it into things. The blacksmith at the plantation would have been very important. They would have made every tool, every nail that went into the house. They would have made the horseshoes, cabinet fixtures, door pulls, blocks.